Hi, Sean here from Wiremarkers Australia, and today we're going to be unboxing the BEPOP CPM-100HG5. Now the first step we want to do is grab our box cutter and open it up. Now you want to be careful not to cut too deep here, so you just want to skim the top lightly. Okay, once that's done, let's open it up. Now, the first thing you'll notice on the top is you'll have your information booklet with your installation disc, a couple of tools, an applicator. Now, next thing you'll notice is your power cord. USB cord for connecting directly to your computer. Now we'll go ahead and remove the top packaging. Comes with styrofoam inserts to help protect the printer through the travel. We'll go ahead and remove this. Now it's time to pull out our printer. This box out of the way. So, when you receive a BEPOP from us from Wiremarkers Australia, our technical team goes through, runs diagnostics, and makes sure that everything is running up to scratch before it leaves our warehouse. So, one of the things we do with this is we go ahead and we insert the blade in for you. So upon arrival, your blade's inserted, everything's ready to go. All you need to do is lift up your lever and pull out this tag that says please peel before use. Now, pull out this tag because this protects your cutter blade during your transport. Now that's out of the way, the only thing left to do is close it, sit it next to your computer. I'm going to go ahead, grab your USB cable, and step one, we'll connect it to the computer. So first off, you want to connect it to the back port, USB port, plug it in, and then plug it into your computer. Now, once this step is done, we'll go ahead and we'll grab our power cord and we'll plug this straight into the back. And then we'll plug this into some power. Now, once that's all done, what we want to do is we want to head over to the Wiremarkers Australia website where you can go to About and More, Downloads, and you can download your software and your hard drivers directly from our website. The link will be pinned in the comment section below.